AI is a buzzword. Let's almost addressing that from the outside. We've almost stopped saying AI because it's almost become a bit of a overused word. So we have sort of stepped back from it. But for us as a business, we made the decision when we went from rebuilding the MVP at the start of 2024. Our new CTO was very aware of the movement of AI and what that can do for especially platform and SaaS companies. So we made the decision, and quite a radical decision at that stage, is even how quickly AI is moving. Back at the start of 2024, it was still fairly conceptual. ChatGPT was a thing and people starting to understand how it could be used, but becoming an AI first company at a startup stage was quite a big decision. So we made that decision, which was the biggest bearing that had was how we built our database and how we extract information, how we stored it, how we organized it in order to be able to therefore that quickly and then different modules and different agents and what have you that we can use for our clients. So waffling to the point, some of the big tools this has enabled us to deal with is things like matching, so it's what we call smart matching. And that's mapping or using our technology to say your site over here, you need a BS300 topsoil, and then we can automatically give you options of who's nearby. Might seem like a really small thing, but actually when we're in a sort of a time where people want instant gratification and people want like instant results, that gives instant results. And that's also been one of the big problems of material transfer and why our perhaps predecessors failed, is because you are solely relying on multiple different deals, where there are smart matching uses our knowledge of projects, knowledge of different needs and wants, and then we can automatically match them. Lots of different very features.